Hello, good day to all my P.2 students. Welcome again to Teacher JV's video clip presentation for today, because what we are going to do here is to learn the phonics sound. Let's go find out what we could have in this video clip. All right, so welcome to the class with Teacher JV. And our lesson for today will be about the phonics sound. So this sound is what we call the sound A. Again, this sound is what we call the sound A. As what you can observe, Teacher JV specified 3 points or 3 key points that we are going to master. So first, we have this A with the E, A with the I, and A with the Y. So they have different types on how can we be able to write them. However, they only have the same sound, and that sound is the sound A. All right. Now, before we proceed, let's have first a video clip regarding with these 3 different types with the same sound. Okay, here we go.
Page 36. Let's read. A. Listen, point, and say.
A-E, A, game, make. A-I, A, paint, rain. A-Y, A, play, today.
Page 36. Let's read. A. Listen, point, and say.
A-E, A, game, make. A-I, A, paint, rain. A-Y, A, play, today.
All right. So, what did you observe based from the clip that I just shown you? All right. They have the same sound. However, they or we spelled it out differently. Now, Teacher JV has prepared something for you for further words or information that we can have through using this A sound. Now, let's go find out how can we be able to use it in a word. Firstly, like for example, this one. As what you can observe, what is this picture? Anyone? Perfect. This one is what we called cake. Very good. Now, how can we apply A with the E in the word cake? Well, what are the missing letters? The missing letters or the missing sounds are, firstly, we have K or the letter C. All right, cake begins with the letter C or the sound K, plus A, K, and what else? What else is the missing letter or sound? Perfect. The letter K. We sound it out as K. So C and the K, they have the same sound. However, we wrote them differently, or we can write them differently. So in this picture and in the word cake, we combine two sounds, the sound k and the sound a. So we sound out two k and one a. We have k, a, k. Perfect. So this one is cake. All right. So we have a, k. So we could have cake. Perfect. Again, everybody say the word cake. Very good. Again, cake. Perfect. Let's go proceed with our next example. Let's have this one. How about this one? All right. What do you call of this picture? Well, very good. This one is what we called wave. Again, wave. And what are the missing sounds? Or what are the missing letters? Very good. So we have first W and we have V. All right. So how do we blend this word through three different sounds? So we have whoop, a, v. So we can have wave. Again. Perfect. Let's blend it again. Wave. Very good. Everybody, say it by yourself. Very good. So let's go proceed with our next example. Let's have this one. How about this one? What do you call of this picture? Very good. This one is what we call plane. And what are the missing letters or the missing sounds? Very good. We have from the word plane. So from the word plane, the first missing sound or the missing letter is P. All right. Followed by ooh. So we can have now pull sound. So pull, a, play, and what will be the sound that we are going to put here? Very good. The sound mm. Since that this one is plain, then we could have pull, a, Again, we have pull, a, Very good. Let's blend it again. Play, Very good. Let's say this word quickly. Plane. Very good. Again, plane. Perfect. So let's go proceed with our next slide. All right. This time, what we are going to have is A. A with the I. So we have A, I. However, we sound it out as A. The same sound with A with the E. And this time, this is the A with the I. Let's have the first example for A with the I sound. All right, let's have this picture. What do you think is this man doing? Considering of his eyes looking to the telephone. What do you think is he doing? Very good. He's waiting. So the word will be wait. Now, if this picture talks about the wait word, what will be are the missing letters of this word? Very good. The first missing letter is W. And the second one is perfect. Letter T. So we have A. How can we blend this one? A. Very good. Wait. Again. Perfect. Wait. Very good. Okay, so what is the word again? Perfect. Wait. So let's proceed with our next slide. How about this one? What do you think? Well, this one is brain. Perfect. And if this picture talks about the brain word, then what are the missing letters? First, very good. The B and the R. The sound of the B and the R letters is BR. 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 A. And what else is the missing one? Perfect. Sound. So we have BR, A, the combination of the three sounds. The BR, A, and So let's blend them together. Brain. Perfect. Again. Brain. Very good. So let's say the word quickly. Brain. Very good. Again, let's say this word quickly. Brain. Perfect. So let's go proceed with our next slide. How about this one? Well, what do you call of this picture? Very good. This one is what we call chain. Again, chain. All right. If this one is chain, now what will be are the missing letters from the word chain? First, we could have CH. CH is sound out as ch. Okay, the sound of the CH is ch. Very good. Ch. And A. And what else is the missing one? Perfect. Since that this one is chain, then we could have ch. A. Let's blend them together. Chain. Perfect. Again, chain. Very good. Let's say the word as quickly as we can. Chain. Perfect. Now I want you to say it by yourself. Everybody. Perfect. Chain. So let's go proceed with our next slide. All right. This time, we are going to talk about the sound A, however, spelled out as A-Y. A with the Y. Sound A, however, spelled out as A-Y. So let's have this one. What do you think it should doing? Perfect. Saying what? Hello. So what will be the word of this picture? Perfect. Say. So since that teacher JV already gave you the A, and what else is the missing one? Perfect. S. And will be the first letter of a word, say. So we have the sound S, and then followed by the sound A. Perfect. So we could have S, A. Let's blend. Say. Perfect. Again. Say. Perfect. Let's say this word quickly. Perfect. Say. So let's go proceed with our next slide. How about this one? All right. In the picture, you can see a hen with the eggs. All right. So how many eggs do you see there? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs. So based from the picture given, what do you think is the word appropriate for it? Perfect. Lay. All right. And what will be the missing letter if teacher JV gave you already the sound A? Very good. The letter L, or the sound O. So the hen is laying eggs. So let's blend these two sounds. So first we have do, followed by A. Perfect. Again, U, A. Let's blend. Lay. Perfect. Lay. Let's say the word quickly. Lay. Perfect. Again. Very good. So let's go proceed with our next picture. How about this one? What do you think are they doing? All right. The picture shows man with a dog. And what do you think this man is doing to the dog? Very good. Making the dog to stay. Perfect. So the best word for this picture is stay. And what are the missing letters? Perfect. S and T. So let's blend. We have st, A. Perfect. So we can say this as stay. Perfect. Again. Very good. So let's say the word as quickly as you can. Stay. Very good. Again, let's say the word quickly. Stay. Perfect. And so this will be the end of the slides of Teacher JB. I hope you guys learned something from whatever those words that we just had. Thank you for your time watching and listening to Teacher JV's video clip presentation. See you again for our next video. Bye-bye!